hiking, running, or roaming the volcanic mountaintops of this amazing island. Sometimes early in the mornings, sometimes in the afternoon, sometimes as the sun set. I simply love roaming the island's volcanic mountaintops. Some of the sights that I come across is simply amazing. Often I say to myself, I only wish more people could see what I'm seeing. I guess that's one of the reasons why I do what I do. To share it with you. Here I am, doing as I always do, trying not to get my shoes muddy. I'm heading up to the top of Hualalai. My early morning hikes often takes me to a place emotionally, spiritually, and mentally, physically as well, to places that I cannot get to unless I do hikes such as this. Some amazing pit craters, the ahus that line the trail up to the summit of Mauna Loa. Here we have the beautiful Moku of Velvel caldera that sits at the top of Mauna Loa. Here's a beautiful multicolored pit crater sitting on the backside of Hualalai. Here I am standing on the backside of Kohala Mountain. It's beautiful up there. Here I stand at the summit of Hualalai, overlooking the beautiful Kona coast. This is how I keep myself connected, how I keep myself grounded. So I often go there basically to ground myself, to keep myself connected with the land, with the spirit, with my ancestors, with myself. So yes, this is my happy place, this is my home, and this is how I keep myself grounded.